Hello, this is Jason, stomping through the streets of Bali again. I'm gonna mount you on my chest as we are off to get some Vietnamese food. Alright, so we got about a half-mile walk to a Vietnamese restaurant. Hello. And it's got, sorry. We turn left here. So what day is it today? It's the 11th, September 11th. So I've been here for 11 days. Still have the Bali belly. So for 11 days I've been had gut issues. I don't see it stopping anytime soon. But I still refuse. I refuse to pay $250 for antibiotics, so I'll just die of dysentery. I've been taking like Imodium AD and those carbon tablets. It's basically just like eating charcoal. But I refuse to have clinics gouge me, make me spend that much money on antibiotics. These streets, man, are pretty narrow. Most of them are all like one way, but you still get people driving the wrong way down the one way. Coffee shops. A bunch of little shops. So far, I'm not super impressed with the Kuta area of Bali. I could see why people recommended to skip it. The weather hasn't been too bad though. It did rain quite a lot the other day. There was huge floods. There was like 6 people died from the floods. But in my area, I barely got a puddle. So that was not an issue. I did have the power go out of my condo though, so I was without air conditioning for about 15 hours, so that was fun. And I guess if you got a scooter, it would help expand the horizons of places to explore here in Kuta. But even though I do have the international driver's permit, if I can avoid renting a scooter, I will. And there's enough stuff within walking distance from where I'm staying that I don't think that I really need a scooter, even though it would make things more convenient. Maybe in some of the other areas that I'm going to, a scooter will be needed. And if I really need it, I will do it. I mean, the less times you rent a scooter, the less times you run into the possibility of renting from people who are like scammers. Try to say that you like damaged their bike. I've heard of places that I've heard people like put like water soluble paint on like scratches and stuff. So when it rains, it washes it off and it looks like you put big scratches on it that were already there, but they covered them up with paint that comes off when it rains. So not too cool. Alright, and Google Maps isn't working the best here either. I haven't seen the streets. Google Maps just stuck on, it's showing me that I'm still at my condo. Hi. 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 This place looks like good food. Latte. Okay, finally updated. Alright, right at the next streets. Still heading in the right direction. Getting a little warm. 83 degrees. Now start looking. Next left, street on the left. Definitely no shortage of scooters here. It's the main way people are getting around. No shortage of tattoo shops either. People must really love tattoos here. Alright, time to go down this little alley. And down here on the corner on the left. Good, how are you? Grand Theft Auto Barber. Alright, I think this is the place. Right here in the corner. Yeah. Me View. Alright. Well, that was a pretty short little walk. 9 minutes. But just wanted to give you a look at what it's like walking around the streets of Kuta Bali. Pretty crazy. Traffic is always bumper to bumper. A lot of scooters. But I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. Maybe I'll make another video of my Vietnamese lunch that I have. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.